going to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. They got a crazy way of singing there, and I'm gonna get me some. I'm going to stand on the corner of 12th Street and Vine. I'm going to stand on the corner of 12th Street and Vine with my Kansas City baby and a bottle of Kansas City wine.
Dr. Winnicky, welcome to Kansas City.
Hi, I'm Dr. Craze. I'm the Residency Program Director. Welcome to Kansas City.
Hello, my name is Stephanie Volker. I am the PA for the GYN Oncology service here at KU. Welcome to Kansas City.
Hi, I'm Norma, your new fellowship coordinator. Hopefully we'll get to work together soon. But of course, I'm always the boss lady for everybody.
Hi, I'm Dr. Annie Jewell. I'm the Division Director here in Gynecologic, and I would like to welcome everyone on this virtual tour here at the University of Kansas Cancer Center. I've been here for 5 years. I have a full clinical practice. I'm busy in the operating room, as we'll talk to you more about, but doing everything from robotic surgeries to our big open surgeries and debulkings. But one of the unique things about me is that I'm really passionate about clinical trials for our GYN cancer patients. And I'm one of the few GYN oncologists in the country that sees early phase clinical trial patients. So I'm seeing phase 1 and phase 2, and we even have some of our own investigator-initiated trials here at the University of Kansas, which I will be happy to talk to you more about if you're interested in, meaning that these are drugs that maybe we're developing with pharmaceutical companies, or maybe these are developed even here directly at KU, and we work on designing and implementing these trials. I'm also involved with the NRG cooperative group, the Ovarian Cancer Committee, and that's looking at a national and international level of clinical trials. So that's something unique about me and something I'm really excited about to share in our fellow education and experience. I'm originally from Kansas City, and I did my undergrad here, but in medical school, then left immediately to go up to New York and did my residency at NYU, and then my fellowship at the University of Chicago, and then ended up coming back home, which I'm very happy to be back here because I think Kansas City is one of the best cities in the U.S., and I am also really happy to talk about all the great opportunities there are here. So I look forward to talking to everyone and to meeting everyone virtually.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Lori Spuzak, and I'm the Program Director of the University of Kansas Cancer Center's GYN Oncology Fellowship. I want to welcome you to Kansas City. I want to share a little bit about myself. I started training on the East Coast. I went to Yale for med school. I was at Columbia for residency. I did my GYN Oncology Fellowship at Einstein in New York, and then I also did a palliative care fellowship year at Mount Sinai. When I was a resident, I did my Galloway rotation at Memorial Sloan Kettering that you do in your third year, as I'm sure, although it's renamed, it's still existing, and all of you have probably done that, or the Rutledge. And I met Dr. Annie Jewell. She was a resident at NYU, and we did our rotation together, and we've been friends ever since. Well, after my palliative care fellowship, or during that year, Dr. Jewell was getting married, and so we came to Kansas City for her wedding, and at that time she said, "Hey, what do you think about working here in Kansas City?" Myself and my partner couldn't have even imagined being in Kansas City because our families were nowhere near here. I grew up in Canada till I was 7, and then Honolulu, and I've been coast hopping from the West Coast and East Coast my whole life after that, and so I had no exposure to Kansas City, but we came for the wedding, and then we looked into the job opportunities here, and they were incredible. I have been able to develop a practice both in GYN oncology and in palliative medicine. I have a palliative medicine clinic 1 day a week And that is truly remarkable to be able to provide collaborative practice not only for GYN oncology patients, but also for all types of cancer patients at the Cancer Center, and still also do GYN oncology care the 4 remaining days of the week. I also am the site principal investigator of a national palliative care trial called the REACH-PC trial that looks at in-person versus telehealth visits and in palliative medicine to compare the effectiveness of those visits. What's fascinating is COVID happened in the middle of this study, if you can even imagine, and so that has been an incredible obstacle. I also received funding to start the Woman-to-Woman program sponsored by the Ovarian Cancer Research Alliance at KU, which is a peer-to-peer mentoring program for our patients. And so there's a tremendous amount of opportunity, excitement, and investment in the GYN oncology program here. And so we're really excited to have you. I'm excited to take on this new hat as program director, and I'm going to do my best to not only make your interview experience great, but also to welcome you with open arms when you get here as a fellow. So we're really excited that you're considering our program, and we can't wait to meet you.